Hey everyone, Jackie Wetzler here. I wanted to go over one of the new features with ASEA called the shared cart. What is the shared cart? A shared cart is a preloaded cart with product for someone who is ready to order, whether they want to be an associate, a preferred customer, or a retail customer. So let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to share my screen. So once you log into your back office, on the left-hand side, you will see the feature called Shared Cart. Click on that. And the first thing you're going to do is create a new cart. From here, you can decide if that person is going to be an associate, preferred customer, or a retail customer, whatever they'd like to be. Then you can also choose what country they are purchasing from. So let's do an example. Let's do a personal redox pack, which is the starter pack. And then let's add a case of ASEA redox supplement for their subscription. All right, so this is going to be their first order and their subscription order. We're going to name this cart Mike's Cart because this is what they want to order. So let's save. And my new customer's name is Mike. And then we're going to do save cart. You can see exactly what Mike is going to get. And he will see this too. And then this is the cool featured part. You can share this link on your social media. You can email them. You can text them, however you want to share this link with them. So again, they're going to click this link and just order from there. It's super easy and simple. Let's do another example. Create new cart. Let's say this person wants to be a preferred customer. Let's click on preferred customer. And you're going to see now the enrollment packs are not there. Everything is a la carte. So let's say they want just a case of ASEA, add to today's order. We're also going to add to the subscription. And then let's scroll down. Say they want just one tube of the Renew 28 because that's popular. Add to today's order. So that's what the cart is going to look like. Let's name the cart Debbie's Cart because this is my new preferred customer's name. Save cart. And then you can share this cart again through any way you want to send it to them. All right. And then let's do one more. Retail. Let's do retail. You're going to see that the prices have gone up. And let's just say, you know, a really popular product that people can see results right away is the Renew 28. So let's go down to the Renew 28, one tube, add to today's order, and see the subscription is grayed out because a retail customer is a one-time customer. So let's name this cart Renew 28. Save cart. And again, you can share this. So this is an easy way to share this on your social media, to share this over email, you know, on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, however you want to share this, because people, again, get great results with Renew 28 very quickly on a number of different things. So it's an easy way for someone to get a feel for redox. So I hope this was helpful. I'm going to stop sharing. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Have a wonderful day.